Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to add top and bottom line in Word document. So in the first method, place your cursor where you want the line and now type 3 hyphens and press enter. Word will automatically convert into a solid line. So if you want to bottom line, then you have to type 3 hyphens and hit enter. And here you can see that. So if you want a bold line, then type 3 underscores and hit enter. And here you can see that. And similarly, you can type 3 underscores and hit enter. And if you want a double line, then 3 equal signs and hit enter. And if you want to insert dotted line, then press 3 asterisk and hit enter. So this was the first method. Let me undo that. In the second method, if you want lines specifically above and below a certain paragraph or title, use the borders menu. This keeps the lines attached to the text even if you move it. So for this, you need to highlight the text you want to sandwich between lines. And then go to the Home tab. And in the paragraph group, click the small arrow next to the borders icon. And now select the top border. And here you can see that a top line has been added. And if you want to add a bottom line, then select the bottom border. And here it is. Moreover, you can also select the entire text and go to the Home tab, click on the border and click the bottom border and click the top border. And here you can easily add top and bottom line in Word. So when you want to remove that, you will not be able to remove that. For this, you need to select the all text and then go to the Home and click on the border and select no borders. And here you can see that. In the third method, if you want a line that does not span the whole page or needs to be specific color or thickness, then go to the Insert and click on the Shapes. Pick a straight line and now hold the Shift key and click and drag to draw your line like this one. Go to the shape format and here you can select shape styles. And if you want to increase the thickness of the line, then in the shape style, click on this pencil icon and here is the weight and select the weight. So with these methods, you can easily add top and bottom line in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.